How to create a Roblox game account on a mobile. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app, and here you find the login page where you can create a new account on a Roblox. So you need to simply first tap on create account if you want to make a new account here. And in order to create the new account, you need to simply first type the birthday of yourself. So I want to just randomly select here the birthday, then tap on confirm, and you need to simply select the gender for your account. So here you need to simply create the unique username for your Roblox game account. So as you can see, I have created a unique username for my Roblox game account. And after that, you need to simply tap on continue, and it takes a little bit time to successfully create a new account. I want to just cancel, and here you can simply type the new password for your Roblox game account. Then you need to simply tap on done. You can also create the passkey here, but I just want to skip it. And finally, as you can see, I have successfully created my Roblox game account. Now you need to simply verify your email in case you receive any notification regarding account administration problem. So I just want to verify the email address, and here you need to simply type the email address. Now once again tap on continue, and Roblox Camp will send you the verification code. So you need to simply go to the Gmail address, and here you notice that you will receive a verification code from the Roblox officially. So as you can see, I have received the verification code. So you can simply tap on the verify email if you are using the same Roblox account on same device. So you can simply tap on verify email, and now I want to just open up the verification link here, and here you will see the message, thank you, your email has been verified, enjoy the free hit. So simply tap on view items. So I have received the gift, and now here you notice that I have successfully verified the email address, and now as you can see, it shows the cap benefits. So I want to use this. So you verify your email address or phone number Roblox. Now you can receive your account if you forgot login. So you need to simply tap on this one. Now tap on customization if you want to use the cap here. So it is free cap I have received by using the verification process. So anyway guys, I want to go back, and here as you notice that I have successfully created and verified the email on a Roblox game account. So in this way you can easily create a Roblox game account on a mobile phone by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.